Running is widely recognized as one of the most accessible and efficient forms of exercise. Regardless of your fitness level, whether you are a seasoned athlete or a beginner on your fitness journey, integrating running into your daily routine can lead to profound effects on your body and overall well-being. While the notion of running every day might initially appear intimidating, the potential benefits it offers reach far beyond mere physical fitness. In this video, we will explore the potential benefits and considerations of running every day. Improved cardiovascular health. One of the most apparent benefits of daily running is the positive impact on your cardiovascular system. Regular running increases your heart rate, improves blood circulation, and strengthens your heart muscle. Over time, this can lead to a reduced risk of heart disease, lower blood pressure, and improved cholesterol levels. A healthier cardiovascular system means you are better equipped to handle daily activities and can maintain your energy levels throughout the day. Weight management. Running is a highly effective way to burn calories and promote weight loss. When you run every day, you create a consistent calorie deficit, helping you shed unwanted pounds and maintain a healthy weight. Of course, this should be combined with a balanced diet to maximize the benefits. Additionally, running helps build lean muscle mass, which contributes to a higher resting metabolic rate, meaning your body continues to burn calories even when you're at rest. Mood enhancement. Beyond the physical benefits, running every day can work wonders for your mental health. Engaging in regular aerobic exercise like running triggers the release of endorphins, the feel-good hormones, in your brain. These endorphins help reduce stress, anxiety, and depression, leaving you with a sense of well-being and happiness. Running outdoors, especially in natural settings, can further boost your mood, as exposure to nature has been linked to increased feelings of relaxation and positivity. Enhanced bone density. Running is a weight-bearing exercise, which means it puts stress on your bones. Over time, this stress can actually be beneficial, as it stimulates the bones to become stronger and denser. Regular running can thus help prevent osteoporosis and age-related bone loss, particularly in postmenopausal women and older adults. However, it's essential to pay attention to proper footwear and running form to minimize the risk of injury. Boosted immune system. Moderate exercise, such as daily running, has been shown to enhance the functioning of the immune system. Regular physical activity helps increase the circulation of immune cells in your body, making it easier for them to detect and fight off infections. While intense workouts can temporarily suppress the immune system, moderate exercise like running helps maintain immune function at an optimal level. Considerations for daily running. As appealing as the idea of running every day may be, it's crucial to approach this routine with care and consideration. Here are some important tips to keep in mind. Listen to your body. Pay attention to any signs of overtraining or injuries. If you experience pain or fatigue, take a rest day or opt for low-impact activities like swimming or cycling to give your body time to recover. Vary your intensity. Mix up your daily runs with varying intensities. Incorporate easy runs, tempo runs, and recovery runs to prevent burnout and improve overall fitness. Proper nutrition. Fuel your body with a balanced diet that supports your running routine. Stay hydrated and ensure you get enough carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats to meet your energy demands. Rest and recovery. Include rest days in your weekly schedule to allow your muscles and joints to recover and repair. Rest is just as important as the exercise itself. Running every day can transform your body and mind, leading to improved cardiovascular health, better mood, weight management, and stronger bones. However, it's essential to approach this routine sensibly, taking rest, nutrition, and recovery into account.